Hi friends, welcome to our new series of videos where we're gonna discuss the resume writing tips and tricks for the trending job professions. Let's start our journey with a high demand job right now, that is the graphic designer job. If you are a graphic designer and still confused whether you really need a CV or you have started your CV but not sure how to format it, don't worry, we are here to help you with this. First of all, you definitely need a resume to showcase your experience to a recruiter. So let's start with a resume example of a freelance graphic designer template that has been shortlisted by many big graphic organizations. This template, created on our platform named instaresume.io, will help you to understand how to format each section of the resume perfectly. So, to start up with the first section of the resume, which is the most important section, that is the professional summary. For the graphic designer resume, you don't really need an objective, but you need a professional summary where you can highlight all your relevant qualifications, which can answer the recruiter's most annoying question, that is, why should we hire you? Now let's start with the next most important section of the resume, that is the work experience, and cover point by point like what are the good writing practices for the work experience section for graphic designer. So the first most important thing is you need to mention your resume in a reverse chronological order. This actually helps the recruiter to see your recent experience and make the decision accordingly. Next, the most important part of the work experience section is to use the numbers wherever possible. What do I really mean by number? It's the impact that you have created. Let's say you have increased the sale by a certain percentage. You have reduced the timing of a certain task. You need to highlight those things in your work experience section. Next thing that you need to do is the most important section of the resume is education section. In the education section, we always think to mention only our schooling and the colleges that we have attended. But instead, you can also mention in the conferences that you have attended. It actually tells the recruiter that you are really up to date and you are open to learning new things in life. Next comes in the most important section, which is specific to the graphic designer, that is your portfolio link. Your portfolio link actually tells the designs that you have created, your exact work. So whenever that resume reaches to the designer, then that designer will know these all works you have done. Next comes out to be the most important thing that every one of us skip while writing the resume. That is to tailor your resume as per the job description. Now the question comes in how you can tailor that. You can identify the exact keywords from the job description and try on to put those keywords into your work experience section and the skill section of your resume. This way, you'd increase your chances of getting shortlisted your resume. So try to match all the keywords of the job description. Last but not the least, which is a very important tip before sending your resume to the employer, just proofread your resume and see if there are any grammatical errors in your resume and just resolve them, and then only send it to your recruiter. Now, if you really liked our video, please subscribe to our channel. And if you really need this particular template of the freelance graphic designer, then just go and read our pinned comment. And if you really need to check out the other related job professions of the graphic designer, check out our blog link in the pinned comment. And thank you so much for watching our videos. We would like to see you again. Thank you.